Kaoki Constantine. Kaoki Constantine. Okay, this is Ghana. Okay, led by Haj. Thank you very much, Haj. Followed by Cameroon, led by Clement. Clement.
Tanzania. Cameroon.
Another country from Mongolia. From Mongolia we have Narmantanda. Next is from Ivory Coast, led by Gabriel Ebo. Followed by South Africa, the BC, the Kulu. Next is from the beautiful country of Papua New Guinea, led by Peter Luke. Peter Luke, PNG. From Kenya, led by Alice Wamaita Maina. From Kenya, led by the top leader, Alice. From the beautiful country of Kenya. Next, from Pakistan, led by Ahmed Muhammad. Of course, followed by Uganda Group. Uganda, led by the Guru is Muhoze Elias. Uganda, led by Elias Muhoze. Ang hindi mo malapit, hindi mananalo ng kusta. Ang mahina mo malapit, hindi matulungan. Next, after Kenya, we have Botswana, led by Gloria Mongolo. Botswana. Next is Rwanda, led by Francis Abumugisha. After Rwanda, Asia naman, the ball. And of course, from the beautiful country of Nigeria, led by, of course, Emmanuel Kaku and Nandi Anyachukwu.
They're wearing the same colors.
Palakpakan naman natin silang lahat mga nag-qualify for the Philippine League. These people qualified for our Philippine League to celebrate with us our 11th year anniversary. Aside from our African group, the most from Asia, yes, Japan! From Asia, Japan. Next is Singapore! We've also group from Brunei, Taiwan, Japan, Brunei, Singapore, Taiwan. Please join us here on stage. UAE, Dubai, led by Alan Pahita. From Oman, and from Solomon Island, our group from Solomon Island. Where's your flag? Oman. Okay, from Oman. Yours is by Ivory Coast, and all the natin. Okay, Ivory Coast. Okay. Led by Captain Apple, our ever friend Gabriel. So these are our international delegates. Yes. Okay, photos. Okay, we will just take one. Yeah, these are the international delegation coming from different countries, at least from 20 countries all over the world. Okay, one big photo. Yeah.